Hi, today I am going to share how to bleach at home. For that I am using the Lakme cleanser to clean my face, as I will always do. Cleanser milk and a cotton to clean my face. I am using the bleaching cream related to saffron from Fem. From Fairness Natural Saffron Cream Bleach. A glass bowl to mix the powder and cream. Take the cleansing milk on your cotton, then clean your face properly. I don't have dirt on my face. So I have taken little bit of cleansing. Almost done. My face is clear now. Now I can apply the cream on my face. See, it's not dirty. Now take your bleaching cream box, open it. You will get some spoon, spatula, activator powder. That is a spoon provided in that. Small one is activator powder, big one is for the cream. This one is the activator powder. Another one is the cream. We need to mix these both together to get the bleaching cream. See, I am taking activator powder. I don't need full of spoon. I want to use this for 2 times, so I am taking half a spoon of activator powder and half a spoon of cream from the bigger spoon. Mix these in a glass bowl so it will not react with the chemicals. Glass bowl is preferred here. Mix it properly for 2 to 3 minutes. If you have any pimples, please don't use bleaching cream on your face. See, take a small quantity and apply somewhere on your skin so that you can check whether it is itching on your skin or not. Just I applied. I'm okay with it. I'm not getting any itchings, so I'm started applying it. Apply the bleaching cream wherever your face is looking dull, wherever you want to bleach your skin, just apply there. Around chin area I'll get blackness sometimes, so I'm concentrating on around my lips and chin area. Apply thick here. Wherever you have dark spots or hair which is turning dark, if by using the bleaching cream the hair will turn into light golden color, so you will get the fairness. Apply it properly. Don't apply to your eyes. Chemicals are not good for our eyes. Apply it properly. See, almost I have applied on my face. Cream is over now. We have to wait for 12 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes is for very dark skin people. 10 minutes is okay for my skin, but I'm going to use 10 to 12 minutes. That's not a big problem to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 minutes is over now. My eyes are somewhat burning, but it's okay, not very much. See, it's almost dried. I can see the breaks now. Take any clean and waste cloth and remove the cream from your face gently. Don't rub roughly. Take it off, all the cream on your cloth. See, I can see the difference. When I was applying, my skin was looking dull. Now you can see the difference. After washing, I'll get a nice fair skin. The small hair which is on my face will be turned light golden color, and skin looks nice with a nice shiny tone. See, almost all the product I have removed. Now I washed it. Wash your face after applying bleaching cream with cold water and tap it with the towel, wet towel. See, I am feeling very fresh now. Try to use this monthly once at least. You will feel really good with this.